Today we will understand the word where. In this video, we will understand the meaning of the word where and how it is used commonly during our daily conversations. So, what is the meaning of where? We use the word where when we want to ask a question about the position of an object or a person. For example, where is the door? Where is the dog? Do this activity with your child. Listen to the instructions together and then you have to find the object and point to it. Try not to repeat the instructions in your home language so that the child understands the sentence where is the and be able to point to the object or the position. Let us look at some more examples and practice. Where is the chair? Where is the dustbin? Where are we? Where is your mother? Where is the bed? Where is the TV remote? Where is the clock? Where is your bag? Where are your clothes? Where is the kitchen? Where are the keys? Where are the books? Where is the bathroom? Where is the fan? Where is your father? Where is the TV? Where is the gate? Where is the phone? You can reverse this game by telling your child that they can ask you where is the questions by using the full sentence. For example, where is the clock? You need to find it and point to the object. Enjoy playing this game with your child.